Now I want to show you kind of the face of San Lorenzo. All these people have been patients at the clinic. This is a woman who we took out a large thyroid tumor. This is a little boy with asthma, one of our surgical patients. This gentleman, we've taken care of several people in his family. That's one of Dr. Randolph's patients. This was another series of 4 emails. This is a woman who we operated on for breast cancer several years ago, and she's still doing well. This is a 10-year-old boy who had a congenital thyroid problem, which required surgery. Gentleman with, and we've operated on lots of people in this gentleman's family. He had a complicated abdominal problem that required 2 surgeries. This is a sweet, deaf-mute woman, this one here, who needed a hysterectomy, she and her sister. This is an 8-year-old child with a brain tumor for whom we could do nothing. So we really had nothing to offer her. This is a sweet little guy. We took his prostate out. Another surgical patient. This woman, when she came to us, had been sick for 6 months. She had an abscess sitting on, kind of in the back part of her abdomen, on top of one of the muscles that you use to flex your hip. And she'd had it for about 6 months. She limped because she couldn't straighten her leg out from the irritation that the abscess was causing on the muscle. So that's about the time we operated on her. We operated on her twice. This is a couple weeks after surgery. And this is about a year later when she came back to the clinic for her husband's hernia operation. She'd put on about 20 pounds there. This is a gentleman, we amputated his leg for bad vascular disease. Another surgical patient. This little guy here, we took a tumor off of his neck. This is another sweet little guy who's a hernia operation. A lot of these people are also from the smaller towns around San Lorenzo. We obviously have a lot of patients from San Lorenzo, but all those small towns around northern Ecuador and Colombia, we get a lot of patients from there as well. This is a kid with bilateral congenital cataracts. This is our pastor's daughter. And another little cutie with a hernia. This kid had a pretty complicated bone infection. And you can see that his legs you can see a little bit of deformity at the knee there. This is a typical couple. They live outside of San Lorenzo. This is the patient Dr. Randolph was just talking. I didn't know what he was going to say, but this is the one we did the flap on. We did the first operation and then the second one after Dr. Randolph was gone, the one with the burn contracture of his arm.